In this video, I'll be looking at the Canon Pixma MG3620 all-in-one wireless inkjet printer. This is one of Canon's least expensive all-in-one printers, and I'll leave a link to this printer below in case you're looking to buy one. Let's address the elephant in the room right out the gate. The MG3620 was probably the most frustrating printer I have ever set up over the years, and Canon really needs to fix this. The process is glitchy and clunky, and I almost gave up at some point. After much experimentation, I was able to find a workaround to make the setup process much easier, and I have the step-by-step process of doing this in a separate video. Feel free to check that out if you buy one of these. It's hard to believe that any company in this day and age would continue to ship a product that is so challenging to set up. Once you finally get it set up, things start looking a bit better. The first thing you'll notice about the printer is how compact it is. It measures in at a little under 18 inches wide by 12 inches deep by 6 inches tall, so it takes up very little desk space. Even with the 100-page paper tray open, the depth increases to just a little over 16 inches. The 3620 is available in 3 colors, black, red, and white, and it has this semi-gloss plastic finish on the outside, giving it a very appealing appearance. The build quality on the printer is also well done, very typical of Canon products. The 3620 still retains some physical buttons on its top face for quick tasks such as making copies, and I really like that they've retained these physical buttons. Their competitors like HP have almost entirely done away with physical buttons on their newer machines. While the MG3620 isn't equipped with an automatic document feeder, it has a flatbed scanner that can scan sheets as large as letter or A4, and you can scan documents using the desktop or smartphone app, and they both work flawlessly. You can even scan multiple pages into a single file and save them as either JPEGs or PDFs, and the smartphone app even allows you to share the scanned document via things like Gmail, text, WhatsApp, and many more. A super useful feature. However, if you do need to scan documents with lots of pages, I recommend getting a printer with a document feeder like the HP DeskJet 4155E. I'll leave a link to that below the video in case you need to buy one. The print speed when printing black and white documents was a bit quicker than average, and the print quality is also pretty good, definitely on par with all its competitors. The color print speed is about average, but the color print quality was definitely above average for an entry-level printer. The color reproduction was accurate, and the image was very sharp and crisp. The MG3620 uses a 240 black and 241 color ink cartridge, which should produce about 200 pages per cartridge. You can definitely opt for the XL versions of these cartridges to almost double your print yield per cartridge, and these cartridges, which live behind this front compartment door, are also pretty easy to replace. Check out my setup video for more details on that. While this is primarily meant to be a wireless printer that you can connect to from multiple devices, you still have the option of connecting it to a single computer using a USB cable. No USB cable is provided with the machine, and you will need to buy one. Again, I'll leave a link right below the video. So should you get the Canon Pixma MG3620? In my opinion, the answer is no. Despite the fact that it performs fairly decently as an all-in-one printer and is reasonably priced, the setup process is a huge drawback. The setup process is extremely frustrating, unpredictable, and frankly ridiculous. Until Canon does something substantial to fix this issue, I highly recommend staying away from this machine. My current alternative recommendation would be the HP DeskJet 2855. While the 2855 has minor drawbacks of its own, the setup process is much less painful, and it does its job fairly reliably. I'll leave a link to that one right below the video, and if you own one of these printers or have any more questions or concerns, leave me a comment below. Now, I hope this video has been useful. If it has, please hit that like button, and please also consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.